Hey, what's up guys, my name is Azeem and I'm back here with another new cool and exciting video of our new Mi Band 3. But first of all, let me tell you that if you haven't watched my previous video of unboxing and review of Mi Band 3, then you should watch that previous video. You can watch it right now just by clicking that little eye icon on the top right corner of this video. So without any further ado, let's get started our video. Here I have the Mi Band 3 in my hand, and as you can see that it is working fine. Everything is working fine, even the heart rate sensor is working. And first of all, we will take a glass, and after that we will fill it with the water to the top of the glass, and then finally we will place it right in the bottom of the glass. And you can see that it is working fine till now, as I have placed it in the glass filled with water. Now I'm going to place it right in my freezer and then closing it. And guys, after the 2 days I'm here, and let's see that what happened to our Mi Band 3. As you can see that it has been totally freezed with ice. The ice has been become very hard and strong. So first of all, we will have to take out the ice from the glass. Let me take it out and then I'll show you. So here I have taken it out from the glass, and as you can see that it has been freezed into this ice, and it is very strong. And now it's time to break the ice and take our Mi Band 3 out, and let's see that if it works. It's too much cold and it is very difficult to hold this ice for a long time. The band seems like to be stuck in this piece of ice. So this is the last piece, and I will also break it. Boom, here we have our Mi Band 3. And now it's time to check it that if it works or not. And wow guys, this Mi Band 3 is really amazing and crazy, because it is working till now, as I have freezed it for 2 days, and you can see that it is in front of you and it is still working fine. Everything is fine. So first of all, let me dry it and then show you. And here you can see that time is showing on the screen, but don't worry that if you guys are thinking that why it is blinking, it is blinking because I am recording this video from my smartphone. If we record a video from our smartphone and if there is another display at the front of our camera, then it will start blinking. Here you can see that even the heart rate sensor is working fine. And guys, if you are in search of any fitness tracker, then I will recommend you to buy this Mi Band 3, because it's crazy, it's waterproof, it's even ice proof, as I have showed you this in this video. So I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed it, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.